This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. We're just about to remove a drain motor from a dishwasher, and we're going to compare the resistance value here in the motor as compared to the new one. Could be a good indication of whether this old motor might be worn out. So I removed the power supply for the motor, and I removed the 3 screws that hold it on. Now I just kind of wiggle it off, and we can take a look at this one. You can see there's a little bit of debris in there. Paddle looks good on the old one, and it feels pretty good. A little bit, there's a lot of play there before you feel the magnetic resistance. Here's the new one. Feels a little bit more resistance with the magnet. We're going to also check the resistance level. This is the old one, this is the new one. The new motor, or the old motor, these are my assistants today. The old motor, so I got that hooked up. I'm getting 21.6 ohms. Now I'm going to check the new one. The new motor is showing about 26.3 ohms of resistance. So that means that those wires are more intact inside the motor windings, and the motor is going to be stronger. The complaint with this one is that the motor sometimes worked to get the water out, sometimes it didn't. So we're going to be replacing this with a new motor, and it's just its windings are a little bit more intact.
Thanks so much for watching our video, and please subscribe when you get a chance. Thanks again.